is up, everybody? It is Dragon Slayer 1 Ka21, and, well, sadly, my account was hacked, so I had to switch it to Universe Noodles. But go follow me on Roblox, and I will follow you back. And remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So, what we are going to be playing is Survive the Natural Disaster. Yes. And we are probably, with my luck, it's going to be like either tsunami, flash flood, or we're going to have to go all the way back to the bottom. Ooh, meteors could happen. Actually, this is the one map that meteors happen.
Last time they started a group chat, they said not to go there. If it's acid rain, it's just not going to be okay. Why are you guessing? I don't know.
Oh, dang it, dang it, dang it. I need to get out. My thing is like lagging. It is not okay.
Oh my god, the whole thing is just turning.
Oh, jeez. Bush, I will save you. Bush, you are my one Bush, and I truly love you. I love you, Bush. Never let me go, Bush. Wow. I will call you Bush. Come on, Bush. Bush, don't. Move! Whoa. You have all these siblings, and you chose me. Thank you, Bush. Oh, dang. You're not my mom! You didn't birth me.
Yeah, I did. I birthed you from a rock.
You didn't birth me from a rock.
Yeah, I did. I birthed you from a red hair.
Okay, guys, if you're wondering who that is I'm talking to Slippery One.
It's One Slippery. Get it right, you uncultured swine.
Ah!
Get out there.
You have no soul.
Push. No.
Ha, I'm actually living. You got wrecked.
I know because I was flung.
I was No, I flung so hard I flew into the sky, and then I flew into the sun.
Hi, Heaven. Hi. Hi. It's moving me.
Wait, hold up. We're gonna read the funny chats today. It's funny chat week. I was flung. Ah! Help me. Hi. It's moving me. Hi, Heaven. Hi, Ma. Oof. No. We gotta do oof.
Oh my god, this thing's cool. Nobody ever goes over here.
Off. What? No. Oof.
Happy home.
What the heck? I did oof. When you accidentally inhale a Hispanic baby. I bet it's gonna be like a tornado. Nope. Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise. You have to do the memes. Oh, I hurt myself. No. I gotta hide under these boxes. The plural for box is boxin'. No, I think I have no idea. Despacito 2 remix. Ooh. Ooh. Salut, bonjour, à bientôt et bonsoir. À demain, à tout à l'heure et au revoir. no, no. Oh, no, no. Here I come. Ooh. Wow. Did you change your name? What the heck? Oh. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, geez. Pray to the god. Oh, Waluigi, we support you ever so much. I want to wah! But what does a wah mean? Wah! The Waluigi song. Oh, it's a blizzardio. It's a blizzard. My thing is so far from being happy. I don't know why. No, it's not a sandstorm.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
It is on my screen.
It says a sand. It doesn't say what it is yet. Oh, it's a sandstorm.
Yeah, sandstorm.
Oh, dodge the flying objects. Like You mean UFO or FBO? No, it's. Oh no! No! Ah! Oh no! Help me! I want to win. Children, you must pray to me. Yes, you may. Ha 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 ha. I mean, I'm not dying, so I'm just gonna stand out here. Yeah. Hit him with the whoop dynamite. Hey, yeah. Wow, this is so entertaining. Okay. Let's go somewhere else. I don't like this.
What? The game?
I'm gonna follow you. Hey, yeah. Oh no. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, friend. Don't do that to me. Ha. Wait, did you know,
Yeah, it's cool.
do you know why, though?
No.
What?
No.
You're a bad friend. Oh, there you are. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. I'm gonna fling myself into the sun. Come here. You fling. Where are you?
People are too fat in the server.
Well, I'm gonna make these people happy. Well, hello. Welcome.
Hey, you can go
Enter.
stand on the volcano.
Hello.
I'm
Welcome.
gonna go commit uninstall.
Welcome back.
Please, let me just climb on it.
Stay away from it, Sulk. Oh, those are bricks? I didn't know that. No, this is. Hello, welcome.
I'm gonna go commit.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm gonna go commit uninstall life.
Beautiful.
Make it go out faster.
What the heck? Beautiful. I mean.
Oh crap! What hit me?
Oh. Okay. I can walk into this now.
Why did he? Why?
I'm
I
okay.
was just sitting there.
Add her. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I did. Okay. Good. Slipping in the back row, slipping in the back
You survived
row.
that? How did you do that? I was standing right on my video.
I could really use a bud like you. Okay, guys, that is all. Thank you for watching, and welcome, and subscribe for more if you want to watch more of my videos. Bye!